Hey everybody, it's Chris. Just checking in one more time for Prime Day. There's still some deals out there, so I want to make sure that if you have it in your budget to purchase something, let's see what we can find today. All right, this is exciting. It looks like we still have a bunch of canning stuff that is Prime deals. So we've got a couple of these sets here. The tongs, yay, on sale. Oh, we saw this. Oh, look. We saw this and it was on deal and now it's not, I don't think. This has gone back up in price, so I guess they sold enough. Some of these kits are pretty good. Oh, look at this. Here's a steam canner. I do not own this, but that looks like it is a pretty good deal. And these have timers on them, so these are, you only have a little bit of time to snack these up. I am liking this kit right here, this supply starter kit. That pretty much has all the stuff that I would use. I've never used this little thing right here to crank down jars or open jars. I never used it before. Here is my favorite opportunity to purchase. 14 hours left on this guy, $22. Buy it, buy it, buy it. Y'all, we've got some Excalibur dehydrator. Oh my goodness. Look, it's a Prime deal. I didn't see this the other day. This is fantastic. What a wonderful find this is. This is not the one I own. I own the 10 tray one, but Excalibur is an amazing brand and 16% off. Let's see if we can find the price history. So this is great. This thing hasn't gone on sale in a while. Let's see. Back in March, it dipped not this far down. Let's look at the year. Nope, this is the cheapest it has been in a year. So you guys have this in your budget? Go get this. This is a great one. This isn't the 10 trayer like the one we have, but this is amazing. Let's see what the 10 trayer is, if it's on sale. It is on sale, you guys. Oh my gosh. Let's look at the price history. Yep, this is how low it gets. This is the price you're going to find. Oh my goodness, this is so good. If you have the ability to purchase this now and put it up and save it for Christmas, or tell somebody, hey, this is my birthday present and happy birthday, Merry Christmas. This is such a great system to have for dehydrating. I can't believe it's on sale. So get it today if you can. And I'll put a link in the description with all the stuff that we go over. That way you don't have to worry about like clicking on the QR code every time or looking at all the sales. I'll just send you to the storefront so you can check it out. Okay, this is cool, you guys. This is what I have. I have a herb drying rack that you hang. If you've seen my pantry tours, oh, this is it. Here it is. Save 27%. Let me click on it. There it is. Lowest price in 30 days. If you have room to hang this up somewhere in your house, in your garage, in a shed, to dry all of your herbs, this is a fantastic find. My pockets are a little bit different, but this is awesome. Let me go see if I can find one with the type of pockets that I have. This looks like it just zips across the top. Hang on. Okay. I think this is the one that I have. See, I like these little doors. Do you see how they got the little doors? Let me see if this other one's cheaper. Hang on. This is the 2-door one. So it's only 2 instead of 8. This is really good. This is the lowest price in 30 days for this. If you don't have room to have that 5-foot tall one, this is awesome because it just has a ton of room and it's easy to use. Yeah. And ours is full because we need to go harvest rosemary, but it's raining, so we got to do that later. So I'll put this one in the storefront as well. This is awesome. All right, y'all, back to Food Savers. This one's still on sale. That's awesome. I like that it's got the little bags and stuff so you can just practice. This is great. $99. Awesome. Now, they do have their Food Saver bags on sale. I will tell you that I buy other brands because you can even find them even cheaper than this. I don't necessarily purchase the Food Saver brand bags. I get the generic ones and they work just fine. Y'all, I can't believe that they've got super cubes on sale. Look at this, 20% off. I even saved it for later. I might purchase these later today, but they are lowest price in 30 days. Looks like the blueberry, the aqua, the charcoal, cranberry, and kale. Our colors are on sale. The cotton candy is not. But these are lowest price in 30 days. And I don't know if you've ever ordered super cubes, and they are just designed impeccably. See the little measurements on the inside? That actually shows up on the food, so you know what size, what portion it is, which I just think is cool. It's reversed, but it don't matter. You can still read it. These things are the bomb. I have the generic stuffs, and they just don't perform like they do. So if you have it in your budget to pick these up, pick your color and get them. And especially get a set like this, because we use all of these sizes. So lowest price in 30 days. Snag some super cubes. It's in my store. Click on the link below. One of my workhorses that I use constantly is my little food chopper. I purchased this one, I believe, is the one that I have. Nope, this one. But this one is prime deal. The real original Pro Chopper. 53% off. Go grab this. Please go grab this. This is so exciting. Absolutely exciting. Just added it to my store. You will use this once you start doing bulk food preservation. You will use this almost all the time. We have used it for pepper. If you go back and look at our pepper video, like we cut up 20 pounds of jalapenos and this thing just rocked it. I've had like the veggie choppers in the past, and this actual one just keeps going. Just keeps going and going and going. And it's lasted my abuse. So if you can do something, snag this guy. I am so excited to see the Cuisinart is still available. This is one of my workhorses in my kitchen. I'm so excited to see that this is 24% off. Let's look at the price history. Right, y'all, it looks like we're like at the lowest. $129.62 is the lowest price that you're going to get for the Cuisinart. So grab it now. If you didn't grab it the last couple days, grab it. This is a essential tool to your success when you're processing food. Ooh, this is selling fast. If you're in the market for this, 41% off. Oh, this is such a great deal. The kitchen system, I told you guys, I don't have this piece right there, but I have these 3 pieces and another one of those. When I buy a piece of equipment, I don't buy the cheap one because I want it to last, and I want it to, because I'm going to abuse it. And so I don't have a Vitamix or anything like that. I just have my Ninja, and it works so amazingly well. So go grab yourself this Ninja while it's literally 41% off. I'm placing it in the cart or in my shop right now. So for immersion blenders, I've been through like 4. So I don't know that I can recommend a specific immersion blender, but Greg has one that I think he bought a KitchenAid one that he really likes. Oh, this looks like a good deal. Let's see what this one is. It's got a lot of reviews too. Okay. Oh, wow. 43% off. And it's got all of this. Oh, that's kind of cool. I do like that it has the larger chopper thing. And I like that it has the steel and all the attachments. That's kind of cool. So if you don't want to drag out your big blender, let's look at price history. Yep, looks like this is it. $29.99. You're not getting any cheaper than that. So if you can swing it, grab you an immersion blender. My problem with immersion blenders is that I just beat them up and I kill them. So if y'all, tell you what, comment below if you've got an immersion blender that you like. Text me the Amazon link to it so I can try it out, because I kill immersion blenders. I kill them. I tell you though, because that's what I like to buy good stuff, because I beat stuff up. All right, y'all, here's my storefront. Here's all the items that you can find that are on sale today. Check it out. This is everything that we've gone through this week, plus some other stuff that I have in here that I just love. So I'm going to put the QR code on the screen and a link in the description so you guys can go check out the stuff that I recommend. And I hope this was a fun shopping Prime week for you. I know it was fun checking stuff out and looking at prices and finding the deals that were worth it. So until we see you guys on the next video, bye y'all.